Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn how you can multiply negative fractions. So let's have a look at our rules. Please remember that plus times plus equals plus, plus times minus is minus, minus times plus equals minus, and minus times minus equals plus. When we're going to multiply fractions, we need to multiply our numerators and our denominators. And we always need to check if our answer is positive or negative. And you could do that by looking at those rows. So, how about 4 over 7 times minus 2 over 3? Let's check if it's positive or negative. We multiply a positive number by a negative number. And positive times negative was negative. So we already know that our answer is negative. 4 times 2 equals 8, and 7 times 3 equals 21. So our answer is minus 8 over 21. How about minus 1, 1 over 5, times minus 3, 1/3? Our first step is to make it one whole fraction. So we need to put the whole numbers into our fraction. For this one, we could do 1 times 5 plus 1. So we have minus 6 over 5. 3 times 3 plus 1 is 9 plus 1 is 10. So minus 10 over 3. Let's have a look if our answer is going to be positive or negative. We see negative times negative equals positive. So that means that we have negative times negative is positive. 6 times 10 equals 60, and 5 times 3 equals 15. What we get is 60 over 15. However, we're not done yet, because we can still simplify this fraction. 2, 4 over 1. And that's the same as 4. Please notice that we divided the numerator and the denominator both by 15. Alright, a challenge exercise. Please try if you can do this one alone, and otherwise have a look how you need to do it. Please think about our order of operations. So first you need to do whatever is in between the bracket. So 1 over 2 minus 5 over 6. We are not allowed to subtract those fractions since the denominators are not the same. So we need to make them the same. We can do this by multiplying the numerator and the denominator both by 3. So, simplify it and you get 1/3 times 3 over 6 minus 5 over 6 minus 2.5. First, simplify whatever in between bracket. So 3 over 6 minus 5 over 6. What you do 3 minus 5, which is minus 2. But please remember that we do not write a minus 2 over here, but that we write a minus in front of our fraction line. What you get is minus 1/3 times minus 2 over 6 minus 2.5. If you simplify it, you get minus 2 over 18 minus 5 over 2. So 1 times 2 was 2, 3 times 6 was 18, positive times negative was negative. To make this a whole, 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5, so minus 5 over 2. We need to make the denominators the same, otherwise we cannot simplify it. So you get 2 over 18 minus 45 over 18, which is minus 47 over 18. Because you did minus 2 minus 45. What you get, if you simplify it, is minus 2, 11 over 18. I really hope you get the answer correct, and if not, then please ask your question now. Make sure that you always copy the exercise, so the beginning, and then that you always show your intermediate steps. Good luck!